Here's a beautiful love sign built by Bill St. Pierre here in Floyd County, Virginia, and installed on our Chantilly Farm, May of 2018. This is part of several hundred love signs around the state of Virginia, sponsored by the Virginia's for Lovers group, and we're certainly grateful for a grant from the Virginia Tourism Commission to help build this sign. We're going to show a little bit about the installation here. Getting ready to move the sign up the hill here. Moving the sign into place here. Go around and get a few pictures from the front here.
You guarantee I wanted a picture of it too.
Fellas from St. Pierre's Woodworking made our sign and just brought it over and installing it, and it looks absolutely lovely. Well, here's the sign installed by these two gentlemen from Bill St. Pierre's Woodworks. We're delighted to have the sign here as a permanent icon at Chantilly Farm and Campground in Floyd County, Virginia. We thank all the people that made this possible.